Most people think you need a loud personality, fancy job, or tech skills to make money with AI. That's not true. The truth is, you just need the right tools. Quiet tools, smart tools, the kind that do the work for you without showing up on camera. Here are 5 AI tools that can quietly replace a full-time job, or at least 80% of one. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. ChatGPT can write emails, blog posts, product descriptions, client messages, and do it all faster than most human writers. It's not a writer's assistant, it is the writer. Tool number 2, Pictory.ai. Pictory turns scripts into videos automatically. You don't need a camera, mic, or editing skills. Just paste in your script and let it build the video for you, voiceover and all. Tool number 3, Durable.co. Durable builds full websites with AI in 30 seconds. If you're a freelancer or side hustler, it saves hours of web design. Just give it a business name and a vibe. Durable handles the rest. Tool number 4, Opus Clip. Opus takes long videos and turns them into viral short clips, automatically. Great for content creators or editors who want to repurpose content without watching every second. Tool number 5, Descript. Descript is the ultimate audio and video editor for people who hate editing. You edit like a Google Doc, just highlight and delete text, and it cuts the video automatically. It also lets you remove filler words and even clone your voice. These tools don't just replace busy work, they give you your time back. Ghost Layer AI is here to help you use them, silently, layer by layer.